back to Abandoned Oz, it's Phil here. Currently at Sydney's Town Hall Station. In this video we're going to take a very quick trip back in time. A time where passengers had a little more to worry about than minding the gap between the train and the platform. A time where Japanese bombing raids, the threat of it, loomed. There's a sign just down this staircase here to platform 1 and 2 that pointed to an air raid shelter. Now it's really easy to miss. I wasn't sure it was still here because I'd actually been looking for it for some time. This little bit of perspex here is actually protecting the sign. It's been preserved, which is absolutely amazing to see. We'll have a better look at it in a moment, but if you want to have a bit of a read, just pause the video and resume when you're done. Very short video, but just thought I would upload that bit of a fun fact. I haven't actually seen this sign in the best part of 10 years, around the time it was actually uncovered. But anyway, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up to the video if you like, and subscribe to the channel, share the video, help Abandoned Oz grow. It'll be greatly appreciated. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.